Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shivani here. So today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very gorgeous Mother's Day special gift, and I will show you how to make this cute bird nest and with the mama bird and cute little birdies with the handmade flower decoration. So I have created this nest basket showpiece for the upcoming Mother's Day and it's looking super cute. So let's get started. First I'm taking this newspaper which measures 28 by 11 centimeters, and I am just rolling it and making one pipe from one corner. Add little glue and just secure it. So the pipe is ready, just flatten it using your fingers. And in the same way I have prepared some more pipes. So I'm just joining all the pipes together and making a big bunch of pipes together. And then I will start rotating or rolling it using my fingers and making one big tight coil using these pipes together. Here I am not telling you the total quantity of pipes because it will differ from the newspaper quality. So after making whole tight coil I will tell you the diameter of this, so according to that you can make your own. And the big tight coil is ready and diameter is 10 centimeters after completion. Now I'm just opening it little bit and making a dome shape for the basket base. Open it very slowly, otherwise it can open. Now to secure this permanently, I am just adding glue inside this and spreading it using brush. Allow it to dry completely. So the basket is completely dried and it's ready to use. Now here I have some dried grass which I got from mango box. These days we get big boxes of mangoes, and to protect the mangoes there were some dry grass around the mangoes, so I got these grasses from there. If you don't have this type of grass, you can also use the old broomsticks or old broom hairs to do this procedure. Now on the base I am going to stick these small pieces of dry grass all around the basket to cover it, and it's done. If you want to stick it fast, then use your glue gun in spite of using liquid glue. So it's covered completely. Now I'm just cutting the excess grass from the edge. And now I'm taking light brown color chalk paint, and I'm going to color each and every part including the base newspaper and the grass. You need to cover whole surface. Similarly coloring from outer side as well. And this is done. Now I have these coconut fibers, and I'm going to cover the center portion using these fibers. So you need to cut these fibers into small pieces and cover each and every part using this. It will give very nice natural nest look to your work like this. Now to give it more realistic look, I am just adding little glue on the edge, and I have this green moss powder. I am just sprinkling it a little bit on the glued part, and it will give a more natural look to your work. Like this. See how beautiful our nest is looking, and it's completely ready. Now here I have joined two pipes of newspapers which I have created earlier. So these pipes are also having the same length. I have just joined both the pipes together and colored with same brown colored chalk paint, and now I am wrapping one jute rope around this to make it more sturdy, and also it will decorate the handle. So here I am making the handle for basket. So complete the wrapping of jute thread till the end, cut the excess thread, make some knots, and your handle is ready. I am making couple of knots here. Cut the excess thread and just turning the handle little bit so that we can attach it easily. Now taking back my nest, and I'm going to stick the handle on two sides of the nest. And the cute nest basket is ready. Now here I am starting with the birds. So I am making one tight coil using 3 strips of white color 5 mm. I am making small bird. Just secure the end using glue, and the tight coil is ready. In the same way, I have prepared one more tight coil using 5 strips of white color, and this small tight coil is made using 2 strips of white color 5 mm. Now I am shaping all the tight coils using quilling mold. And for back side of the bird's body, I am shaping it using pencil because we need little bended body from back side. So make a cone shape and curve it. Add glue inside all the designs and spread it using brush. Now I am joining these parts together to construct the bird. And the small bird is ready. Now here I have prepared these two cute wings using white Sakura clay, and for this I have used this mold, which is a wing mold by Little Birdie. I have just used this small portion to make the wings. So I'm going to stick these wings on both the sides. If you don't have the mold, you can also make quilling wings. I will share the link of video how you can create the wings using quilling strips in description box. You can check there. So the bird is ready. I will add beak at the end. Before that I will color this. So to color it, I am using chalk paint in orange color and blue color. Just doing little shading on wings using orange color, and for the body I will use blue color. So the coloring is done, allow it to dry. Now to make beak, I am taking 1/4 strip of 3 mm yellow color and making one cone shape. Insert pencil through this to make a cone. Add glue inside the cone and just stick it with the bird face. And for the eyes, I have these two small black color punch cutout which I cut using 2 mm black color cardstock. So I'm just sticking both the eyes like this, and the super cute tiny bird is ready. This is baby bird, and in the same way I have prepared one more baby bird with the same measurements. And similarly I have prepared this mama bird with the same procedure. This is little larger in size. For the tail I have used the same wing mold to take the back parts for the tail, and coloring is also done with the same procedure. For the body I have used 7 strips for both the domes, and for the face I have used 5 strips of white color, 5 mm. And the beak is made using half strip of yellow color, 3 mm. So all 3 birdies are ready. Now I'm starting with the flowers. So I have these flower cutouts which are 5 petal flowers in 2 large and 1 smaller size. And to color this from the center I am using sunflower archival ink. So using my sponge dauber I am just coloring from both the sides. Now spray little water to make this moist. Soak the excess water using tissue paper. And then using my embossing pad and small size group golf tool I am just shaping all the flowers. Just rotate the flower and pinch in the center using back side of any paintbrush. Stick all the layers together to make the flower. For the center of the flower I am using green color flower pearls. So the flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared some more flowers in small and large size using different sizes of cutouts. And also I have some leaf cutouts ready with me which I got from some green color paper. I have used dyes for these leaves. Now taking back my nest basket, I am just making one hole to stick our birds first, and to stick the birds I am using my glue gun. It will stick permanently with the coconut fibers. So first I am sticking both the baby birds, and then on the edge I am going to add mama bird who came to meet her babies and to feed them. Isn't it a cute idea for Mother's Day? And now I am decorating the handle using leaves and handmade flowers. So this is done, and on this side also I have added one flower with the leaves. And the cute showpiece is ready. It's looking super gorgeous, and I'm sure your mama will going to love this very much if you are gifting them. and you can hang this also on the wall to decorate your home. And that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am desperately waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.